Hey everyone! Today, we're learning how to create viral billboard videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. To start, you'll need some green screen footage. Import it into your timeline in Premiere Pro. Next, head over to the Effects panel and search for the Ultra Key effect. Drag and drop it onto your green screen video. Now, grab the color picker tool from the Ultra Key settings and click on the green area in your video. You'll see the green screen disappear. To make sure your green screen is perfectly removed, create a white color matte layer and place it below your video in the timeline. If you see any black spots around your subject, don't worry, we'll fix that. Go back to the Ultra Key settings and set the keying mode to aggressive. This will clean up any leftover green and make your footage look flawless. Before exporting or doing any major edits, go to Sequence Settings and make sure you're working in Rec. 709. This is our final look after removing the green screen. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's take it a step further and see how we can use this clip creatively. To start, I've downloaded 4 different types of green screen videos to combine them and create something unique. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Let me import first green screen video into the timeline. Then, apply the Ultra Key effect from the Effects panel. Select the Color Picker tool and click on the green area in your video. And voila! The background is gone, leaving you with your subject. To place the girl behind another element, move the girl's video layer below the other layer in the timeline. Let's clean up the rest of the video. Create an opacity mask to crop out the unnecessary parts of the clip. Alternatively, you can use the crop tool for a quicker fix. And there you have it. With these simple techniques, you can combine green screen videos and create dynamic, professional-looking visuals. Stick around for the next part, where I'll demonstrate this with the other clips. And don't forget, if you're enjoying the tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more awesome content. Alright, let's move on to our second clip now. Just like before, import your second green screen clip into the timeline. Then, head to the Effects panel, apply the Ultra Key effect, and use the Color Picker tool to remove the green screen. Now, let's make sure everything aligns perfectly. Adjust the position of the girl's video layer to fit seamlessly with the new background. For precise adjustments, use keyframes to match the movements perfectly. This ensures that the composition looks professional and natural. And that's it for our second clip. The process is the same, but these little tweaks make all the difference. Alright, moving on to our third green screen video. Just like before, import it into the timeline and use the Ultra Key effect to remove the green. Once the green is gone, I'll use keyframes again to align and perfectly combine the girl's video with the background. Finally, let's bring in our fourth and last green screen video. I'll remove the green screen just like we've done before. Now, I need to scale down the girl's video clip to fit properly. To do that, I'll use rulers. Just press Ctrl+R to enable rulers in Premiere Pro, and they'll help us align everything perfectly. I'll disable the mobile layer temporarily to adjust the girl's layer clip. After fine-tuning with keyframes and scaling, here's the final result. So, there you have it. You've learned how to use the Ultra Key effect not only to remove green screens but also to combine clips creatively using keyframes, rulers, and some smart adjustments. The more you experiment with these techniques, the more you'll master them. So, get creative and try this out in your own projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.